Okay, here I am, living my life. Thanks for watching. This is going to be an unboxing of a Open. I am not really sure how to pronounce that, to be honest with you. I got a 24-inch monitor. I bought it at Best Buy online, which was actually a fairly good experience, I will admit. I haven't been a fan of the store in the past, but this went very well. They offered me curbside pickup. They offered me in-store pickup. I went in and I waited literally 1 minute to pick it up, and I had a very nice chat with the young man who helped me and got it out of the cage for me. So 24C-L1Y, full HD. It says 23.8 inch monitor. I'm sorry, I can't talk right now. I don't know what's wrong with me. Anyway, I wanted to get this hooked up because I had bought another one. Then my son was doing remote learning and he wanted 2 screens, so I gave him one. Then I bought another one from Walmart, One brand or something. And then I read a little bit about it before I opened it up, and it turns out it had a very, very low, I guess high milliseconds, whatever that thing that causes blurring if you're a gamer. I am not big into that, but I thought it might make sense, just in case, to have a better machine. So here we go. I'll try to get this thing open real quick. My Kershaw. Haha. I love it. So, tonight I'm going to be doing a live stream into one of my Facebook wellness groups, and that's going to be recorded. And I like to be able to have the presentation on one screen and watch the chat in the Facebook live stream in the other screen, so that I can respond, or I actually have a guest speaker, so I'm going to have them. The questions will mostly be for them. Here is the power. It's kind of lighter than I expect. Looks like this must be part of the stand apparatus or something. Okay, we got styrofoam. I'll stand this up because, and here's a nice, something minor surprise. It looks like I got a HDMI cable. Came with it. I have one plugged in already because I have an iMac. I need the USB-C to HDMI, so I'm probably not going to use that. And we got the user manual. And we got, you even have the old school DVI cable that comes with it. That's awfully nice of them. Okay, more styrofoam. One of my least favorite things in life. And here we go. Oh, I should say, I forgot to mention that this is the base. Here we come. Nothing else in there. Should I attempt to put it together while you're watching? That could be interesting. The switches are kind of cheesy looking. I'll say that right away. Let me show you. They're just like little cutouts in the plastic of the casing. And I guess those, unless I'm totally dreaming and I'm looking at something wrong, I think these are, I don't know, I think they're buttons for controlling, because I don't see any anywhere else. It's very light, very simple. Does have a bracket, the screws for a bracket if you wanted to hang it up on the wall. HDMI in, VGA in. That's what I meant, not DVI. But and the DC 12 volt. So I guess that means I could run this in a off a car battery. I don't know. I'm talking nonsense. So I'm going to just real quick make sure I don't screw this up. But I'm pretty sure it's not slippy. Hope you can see okay. Yeah, those are the external controls. Those weird little, I don't know, they look like they'd pop right out. But anyway, I'm sure they do the job. Hopefully they will not fail. Source mode, yada yada. I just want to make sure when I put this stand together, I don't break anything. I know, I'm such a girl. And what is all this? I don't need French. I just need, like, quick start guide, blah, blah, blah. Cleaning. Do not place the CD near a window. I mean, the LCD display near a window. Rain. Oh, come on. Attaching the monitor base. Unpack the monitor base. Place the base on a smooth work surface. Unpack the monitor. Attach the monitor stand arm to the base. That's this thing that I tossed over here. I don't know, can it go on more than one way? Make sure that the base snaps into the monitor stand arm. Turn the white screw with the included tool or a suitable coin to secure the base to the stand arm. Select models only. I don't think I have that. Nope. I just want to make sure that, okay, I see how it goes. It's going to go this way. I have to look in the back. It didn't exactly snap in there, but it feels secure. And you see, there's another little, holding this sucker with one hand. There's another little lever thing that snaps on. Some of this plastic stuff is pretty cheesy. Click. Okay, heard a click. You know what I don't like right away? But it's okay. There's like no... I probably should have checked that out first. I actually bought this on the recommendation of a quick, this video is already too long. But anyway, it's CNET app that I have, and it was on sale, and it had a better, you know, shorter lag time. I think the one from Walmart was like 14 milliseconds, and this is 5. So be it. This is it. My open 24 CL1Y computer monitor. Hope you got something out of this, and if you did, please show your love with a little like and or follow. I mean a subscription. There's more to come. I'll get it together one of these days. All right, everybody. Have a happy